A sneeze is faster than a car on the highway. Ever wondered what body reaction moves faster than a car? A sneeze can launch droplets faster than a speeding car, sometimes reaching over 100 miles per hour. It's your body's emergency defense, clearing irritants with lightning force. This sudden blast shows how powerful the human system can be when it reacts instinctively. One tiny tickle in your nose unleashes a storm your body fires almost automatically. It's nature's way of clearing danger instantly. What's the funniest sneeze moment you've ever seen? Tap like and subscribe for more surprising human body facts.